Today on Southern Accent Foods, I've got two fun additions to your spring brunch table, or any party actually. One sweet and one savory. Let's get started with the sweet one first. It's an easy to make fruit tart. I've got these phyllo cup shell thingies. They come in a package of 15, so figure out how many you might need for your party. These things are great to make because they require zero skill, and a few people in my inner circle will say that they've been hoping to find any trace of skill or competence in me, and their hopes have been dashed like a ship against the rocks. Start out with some store-bought whipped topping. You can make chantilly cream on your own if you want. Now just squeeze it right in there. Choose whatever assortment of fruit you have and arrange it right on top. And now you have these quick, easy, and tasty miniature fruit tarts garnished with some mint leaves. If you like these quick and easy recipes, click that like button for me. YouTube will serve up my content to more people, and I really appreciate your help growing my channel. It's cocktail time. We're making a great brunch cocktail called a Bellini. I have a package of these frozen peaches. Thaw some out in the fridge and buzz them up with a stick blender. Get a couple spoonfuls into some champagne glasses. I like these stemless ones. Pour in some Prosecco or any sparkling wine you like, and that's it. Sip away. Now we're going to do the savory tartlet. This is a miniature Quiche Lorraine. I got this package of diced smoked ham. You could use bacon or smoked sausage. You really can't mess it up. You won't use the whole package. You can save the rest for a frittata or something. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 190 degrees Celsius. Grate up about 3/4 of a cup or so of Swiss cheese, or any cheese you like. Put some eggs into a large measuring cup. It's kind of tough to give an exact measurement on this. You just have to use enough to fill up the cups. Pour in some half and half. Season with some Cajun or Cajun seasoning, and whisk it all up until combined. Get your cup thingies onto a parchment-lined sheet pan. Spoon in a little bit of the diced ham or whatever else you might be using. And top with a pinch of your grated cheese. Pour in your egg mixture to fill up each cup. Get them into the center of your preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until the eggs have set. That's basically it. Garnish up with some chopped chives or parsley. I always seem to have some chives in the fridge. Set them out on your brunch table or as finger food for any party. If you'd like to see another one of my recipes, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there.